Hey paper callers, I'm Jordan Soto with Ringba, the premier call tracking platform for paper call marketers. In this episode, we're going to answer the question, what is dynamic number pool tracking and how do you implement it? The most effective way to implement call tracking is by using dynamic number pools, also called number swapping or DNI. Dynamic number pools work by placing the Ringba JavaScript tag on your websites and landing pages to swap and display unique phone numbers to every user. When a potential caller visits your page, Ringba will select an available number from the pool and locks it to that user's browser session for the set amount of time until they become idle, close the browser, or leave the page. When the visitor picks up the phone and calls the number, Ringba attributes that call to the user's session information, giving you detailed tracking information about the source of the user so you can further optimize your campaigns. Ringba tracks all impression data, whether a user calls or doesn't. This means you can gain an even deeper insight by viewing reports based on keywords and other criteria to see who did the call and who didn't call, and adjust your advertising campaign targeting accordingly. All of the data Ringba captures about your users is available in reporting, so you can uncover the specific details that are driving user behavior and call conversions. How to implement call tracking on your website. It's really easy to install the Ringba JavaScript snippet on your website. Simply copy the code snippet from your Ringba account and paste it into the header in your HTML everywhere you want to track. Be sure to check out our knowledge base for all the details, and don't forget, you can always reach out to the Ringba team if you have any questions or need any help setting up dynamic number pools with Ringba. This video is brought to you by Ringba. Ringba is the call tracking platform trusted by industry-leading pay-per-call companies. Connect your online marketing to your offline sales and get the data you need to drive revenue with Ringba. To learn more about how Ringba is changing the future of pay-per-call, visit www.ringba.com.